Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kick-start your day. And here is today's quote. I've made it from the bed to the couch. There is no stopping me now. Well done, making it from the bed to the couch. I am proud. This may only be a little bit of movement, but for some people, this might be all they were able to do today. Whatever distance it is, the point of moving forward is that you are moving forward. And that's all that really matters. Whether it's 1 step or 100, it's all progress. Do as much as you can, and over time, you'll be able to see yourself even further with every step. And every step, well, that is 1 step closer to your goal.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.